Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restriction. Godspeed. 1. Godspeed to athletes, warming up like a pros, moving like legends. 2. Sports teach discipline, Godspeed to a sore muscle. 3. Godspeed to team players who show up every day. 4. Win or lose, Godspeed for showing up. 5. Trying a new hobby, Godspeed and zero expectations. 6. Godspeed to creative minds making happy messes. 7. Hobbies aren't about perfection, Godspeed to gladness. 8. Starting a business, Godspeed and strong coffee. 9. Godspeed to entrepreneurs learning while eating. 10. A business isn't easy, Godspeed to honest hustle. 11. Wherever you are, whatever you do, Godspeed. 12. Progress over perfection, Godspeed. 13. Godspeed to those building future one step at a time. 14. Godspeed to all small business dreams. 15. Opening a shop door like it's a game level, buyer incoming, Godspeed, cashier mode activated. 16. Godspeed to sales today. 17. Tying my shoes like a warrior, no pressure, just effort. 18. Entering a pool like a dolphin, exiting like a tart potato, Godspeed. 19. Playing instrument tone, fingers not yet, Godspeed to learning one note at a time. 20. Voice cracking but heart singing, Godspeed to confidence. 21. Bow first, punch later, Godspeed, discipline and respect. 22. Canvas clean, mind messy, Godspeed to creativity doing its thing. 23. Recipe says easy, reality says surprise, Godspeed to dinner. 24. Oven preheated, hope rising, Godspeed to cakes not sinking. 25. Passport ready, worries light, Godspeed to safe journey.